I'm Mad at Woman and this is day 1 of 1 ad a day September. Let's go. I knew that I wanted to work on Rolex because I love the way they do their ads. So I first started with looking at some of their ads. I started thinking of different insights and different ideas for what I wanted to base my ad on. This first one had a big problem with the word guy. With a gender neutral pronoun, it did not work as well. So I decided to drop it. This was the second idea that I had and I really liked the direction that it was going in. So I started developing this idea while also thinking of different concepts that I could do. But my gut didn't allow me to leave this particular idea. I wrote some variations for the headline, and once I decided what my headline was going to be, I started working on the body copy. For the visual, I wanted to recreate one of their existing ads. So I took that ad in Photoshop and using generative AI, I got my image ready. I got the original ad back on screen to make sure that the alignment was all right. And then I added my copy to the image. After that, it was just a little bit of alignment fixes, and here it is. Let me know in the comments what you think about this ad.